So I'm gonna be answering all your questions. I read all the Amazon product page about people concerns they have about this rose petal satin foot mask. It comes with a pack of 4. Well, the one I bought did, and this is my last one. Well, it comes with a pack of 5. Never mind. And this is my last one. So I think I qualify to answer all your questions. And like, there's just general stuff. I'm gonna give you advice. Don't walk around. Don't walk around while you have these on. I think I can walk around and then I'm about to slip. So you don't want to fall by accident flat on your face, especially if you have pets around. Like, I have a German Shepherd. She doesn't, like, if she's going through, she's not gonna move around you. She's just gonna push you. So, and you can get an accident. One of the questions I saw is, can you do this around your pets? Yes, because it's like a sock is not getting anywhere, but when you do take it off, make sure you throw it away where they can't reach it, because it does have some ingredients that doesn't sit well with dogs. So if you feel like your dog's gonna be the type to dig in the trash and be attracted to the smell and try to eat it, then I suggest you to throw your trash outside right away. Like, don't keep it in the house. And that's really all I have to say. So it is safe around pets, because I saw someone, like, because it's not like the liquid's getting everywhere. It's like a literal sock. It's like you're putting a sock and it has like a sticker, so it's secure around your ankle. I might show you guys. Let me see. And how does it smell like? It's a nice rose scent. It's not overpowering. I hate the overpowering, like, if it's overpowering of the roses, because it smells like, my grandma, and I don't like that smell. Like, I'm not gonna lie, there's some people who generally like that smell, but I don't. It seems like older people like that smell more. I mean, it irritates me, but this one is not that strong. It's generally not that strong. And honestly, I only use this whenever my feet, like, the corners, like, on the bottoms of my feet start feeling a little dry. Maybe they are dry, maybe it's a little ashy. Then this is when I will use this. And then for 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, but like a few days, I think. I haven't fully looked at my feet and be like, wow, it's time. Like, I only do it when it's like, wow, I really do need to moisturize my feet. So I can't say for sure, but my feet do feel soft for quite a while after I use this foot mask. Another question was how long. You have to leave it for 10-15 minutes. I think you can leave it 20, but honestly, I don't even count. Sometimes I just put them on, and I put a show on, and I put a face mask on, and then like an hour passed, and I'm like, wow, it's time to take these off. Then I take them off, and usually when I apply these, I put them on, and I like to put a sock under, because it just feels comfy and warm. Like, I put my fuzzy socks on at night, and it's just a nice way to relax, and don't be walking around. Like I said, don't walk around. Does the quality hold? Yes, I feel like the quality is pretty good. It does its job. It doesn't even rip that easily. Like, when you're the sock itself, it doesn't. It's not like paper fragile. Like I have walked around and it hasn't like ripped. My toe hasn't started sticking out in anywhere or anything like that. And yes, I have seen a difference. My feet and it's not full of like that liquid, that liquid, and then your feet feel soaked. It's not like that either. It has like a thin layer of that moisturizer effect, and when you do take it off, it's like damp but not like soaked in the what's it called, the liquid. So there's that, and I like that as well. And I feel like for the price, it's pretty good for 5 of them, and it's really easy to use. You can use that I recommend at nighttime, but like if you have a girl day and you have like an hour to spare watching your favorite show or just scrolling on social media, then yeah, you can put these on and just sit down and not do anything. But if you do get up, you're not gonna fall, but it's like they kind of slip. Especially if you don't have socks on. Like, I feel like it's a little, I have a better grip on the floor when I have socks on, but still it's slippery. And honestly, I'm a size 9, and these were still big on me. So, but they secure well. So even if your feet are smaller, on the smaller side, you're good. And yeah, I think that's like all the questions mostly everyone had. And yeah, it's pretty good, and it looks exactly like the pictures on their product page. And yeah, I don't think that's anything else I have to tell you, but I definitely do recommend this product. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, I it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.